noticed how AI is becoming part of everyday life now? Definitely. It feels like new AI tools appear every week. Honestly, it's exciting and scary at the same time. I agree. AI can make life easier, but people are also worried about jobs. Especially creative jobs now. Yeah, AI can generate images, videos, music, even conversations. A few years ago, that sounded impossible. Technology is moving incredibly fast. Do you use AI tools often? Almost every day, actually. For work and personal stuff. Sometimes I use AI for ideas and productivity. Same here. It saves so much time. Exactly. Instead of spending hours researching, AI can summarize information quickly. Students are probably using it all the time now. Definitely. Some schools are even struggling to manage AI usage. Do you think AI is good for education? It depends on how people use it. That's true. If students use AI to learn faster, it's useful. But if they depend on it completely, that's a problem. Exactly. People still need critical thinking skills. AI should help humans, not replace human thinking. That's a good way to explain it. Honestly, AI feels like a tool from the future. Sometimes I feel like we're living in a sci-fi movie already. Same! Self-driving cars, AI voices, robots, it's crazy! Speaking of AI voices, some of them sound extremely realistic now. Yeah, sometimes it's hard to tell if it's real or generated. That could become dangerous though. Deepfakes are already causing problems online. Exactly! Fake videos and fake voices can spread misinformation quickly. Technology always has good and bad sides. Very true. But overall, I think AI will improve many industries. Like healthcare? Definitely. AI can help doctors detect diseases faster. That could save millions of lives. Exactly. AI is also helping scientists with research and discoveries. That's actually amazing. Imagine how advanced medicine could become in the next 20 years. The future honestly feels unpredictable, but exciting. Do you think AI will replace most jobs someday? Some jobs maybe, but new jobs will also appear. That usually happens with technology.